What do we need? Let's get started. In a cup, mix 3 scoops of citric acid with 25 milliliters of water. Cut 2 slices of apple, dip one in the citric acid solution, and keep the second slice dry beside it. Wait for 2 hours. Did you notice that the slice in the citric acid looks fresh, whereas the dry slice became old? Scientific explanation. The slice of apple reacts with oxygen in the air and turns brown. Citric acid prevents the apple to react with oxygen, and that is why citric acid is used for food preservation.